Close your eyes for a moment and ask yourself a simple question. Why do you want to speak English fluently? Is it for confidence? Is it for opportunities? Is it so you can express your thought without fear? Whatever your reason is, hold it close to your heart because this journey is not about language only. This journey is about becoming a stronger version of yourself. Fluency is not magic, it is not talent, it is a process. And every process becomes easy when you break it into small, simple steps. Today I will walk with you step by step, slowly, gently, like a friend holding your hand. First, understand this truth. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. You need courage. You need consistency. You need to start. Most people wait. They wait to become perfect. They wait to learn everything. And in that waiting, they lose years. Do not wait. Start now. Step 1 is listening. Before a child speaks, a child listens. Again and again. Every day, you must do the same. Listen to simple English. Listen to short sentences. Listen to slow speech. For example, listen to something like I am. Listen carefully. Notice the sound. Notice the sound. Notice the rhythm. Do not rush. Just listen. Do this every day. Morning, evening, whenever you have time. Even 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is more powerful than instance. 1 hour, 1 day, and nothing for next 3 days will not help you. But 15 minutes every day will change you. Now step 2, repeat. When you listen, do not stay silent. Speak with it. Repeat the sentence. I am going to the market again. I am going to the market. Do not worry about mistakes. Your tongue is learning. Your brain is adjusting. This is how fluency begins. At first, you will feel strong. You will feel shy. Your voice may shake. But remember, growth always feels uncomfortable. Stay with it. Step 3 is understanding. Meaning, do not memorize without understanding. When you hear a sentence, know what it means. For example, she is cooking food. This means she is making food. Simple, clear. Connect English with meaning, not with fear. Now, step 4. Use small sentences. Make people try to speak big, difficult sentences. They fail. Then they feel embarrassed. Then they stop. Do not do that. Start small. Say, I am tired. Say, I am happy. Say, I like tea. Say, I am learning. English, simple sentence build strong foundations. Like bricks, one brick at a time create a strong house. Now step 5. Speak daily. Even if you are alone, stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak. My name is Arshal. I live in Pakistan. I am learning English. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. You may laugh at yourself. That is okay. But do not stop. This is your practice ground. This is your safe place. Step 6 is thinking. In English, this is powerful. This is where real change begins. Right now, you think in your native language and then translate. That takes time. That creates confusion. Start small. Look at a glass and think this is a glass. Look at your phone and think this is my phone. Walk outside and think the weather is hot. These small thoughts will slowly train your brain. Step 7 is vocabulary. But not difficult vocabulary. Useful vocabulary. Words you use every day. For example, eat to drink. Go, come, make, take. Use them in sentences. I eat food. I drink water. I go to school. I come home. Repeat these again and again. Words become your when you use them, not when you read them. Step 8 is learning. Step 8 is learning phrase. Phrase make your speech natural. Instead of saying, I am very, very tired, you can say, I am really tired. Instead of saying, I do not understand, you can say, I don't get it. These small changes make a big difference. Step 9 is listening to real conversation, not just lessons. Watch simple videos, watch people talking, notice how they speak, notice how they pause, notice how they smile while speaking. Language is not only words, it is feeling, it is expression. Step 10 is not begin afraid of mistakes. This is the most important step. Fear kills fluency. Mistakes build fluency. When you make a mistake, do not stop. Correct it and move forward. For example, you say, he go to school. Then you realize, he goes to school. Good. You learned something that make mistakes made better. Do not let people's laughter stop you. People laugh when they do not understand your courage. You are trying. You are growing. That matters. Now let me tell you something for heart. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly and confidently. You can speak slowly and still be fluent. I am learning English. I am learning English. This is okay. This is powerful. The speed will come with time. Do not chase speed. Chase clarity. Now step 11. Build daily habits. Make a small routine. Morning, listen for 10 minutes. Afternoon, practice speaking for 10 minutes. Evening, think in English for 10 minutes. This simple routine, if done every day, you will transform you. Step 12 is writing. Yes, writing helps speaking. Write small sentences. I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to work. Writing organizes your thoughts. It makes speaking easier. Step 13 is conversation. If you have a friend, practice together. Speak simple English. You, how are you? Friend, I am fine. You, what are you doing? Friend, I am studying. Even simple conversations build confidence. If you do not have a partner, talk to yourself. It works. It really works. Step 14 is patience. Do not expect miracles in 1 week. Fluency takes time. But every day you are improving. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it daily. You do not dig it every day to check if it is growing. You trust the process. Step 15 is believing in yourself. Many people quit because they think they cannot do it. That is not true. You learned yourself first. Language. You can learn this too. Say to yourself, I can speak English. Say it again, I can speak English, because what you say to yourself becomes your reality. Now imagine this. One day you are standing in a room. People are speaking English. And you are not silent anymore. You are not afraid anymore. You are part of the conversation. You are smiling. You are confident. That day will come. But it will not come by waiting. It will come by walking, step by step. Do not compare yourself with others. Some people learn faster. Some learn slower. That it is okay. Your journey is your own. Focus on your progress. Yesterday you knew 10 words. Today you know 20. That is growth. And remember, consistency beats motivation. Someday you will not feel like practicing. Do it away. Discipline will take you where motivation cannot. Speak every day. Speak every day.